Speaker, thanks for this opportunity. I would want to bring to the notice of this House the problems created by this government in the name of Digital India. Actually, Digital India is not which is running. What is running is Denial India. In fact, the entire NREGS program is now being completely based on some GPS-based app. Again, all our farm laborers are running in the farm waiting for GPS. The entire scholarship scheme is also being destroyed by making this digital authorizations. Now a new thing has been brought under ICDS, where pregnant mothers are supposed to do facial recognition. Madam, I want to ask through you, how do you expect pregnant mothers to walk all the way through the Anganwadi center to give their facial recognition for household kids? The take-home ration is now made mandatory only by this process. In Tamil Nadu, all the Anganwadi workers are going on a strike. ICDS program is a very important program, and if you make this digital joke everywhere, how do you think the people are going to get any services? This is Denial India. I want to bring the attention of this government to stop this nonsense as far as people, laborers, poor people are concerned. They can't have these smart mobiles taking all these facial recognitions. So not only in entire Tamil Nadu, everywhere in India, the Anganwadi workers are going on a strike. They are not able to take these things. Ma'am, they want an OTP. Where do you expect people to go and get OTP? Where do you expect people to do the facial recognition? All this is not necessary, madam. Please don't destroy programs, flagship programs which are running well. NRG is already destroyed. So social welfare schemes already destroyed. Now ICDS scheme. I want to bring through you to the notice of this government. Please stop all this. The manual process was okay. Some amount of inclusion and all is okay, but exclusion is a crime. Exclusion is a crime as far as welfare programs are concerned. Thank you, madam.